I recently lost my funded account with Tentrade. Yeah, it stings. But ever since I posted it, I've been getting non-stop DMs asking, how does the prop firm works? What are their rules? And how can I get started? So let me break it all down. What is Tentrade? Tentrade is a broker and also a proprietary firm that give traders access to capital without needing to risk their own money. With Tentrade, you can get either a challenge account or go straight to live trading through instant funding. That means once you qualify or buy into it, you are instantly funded and can start making real profits. And you get to keep 70% of the profit and they keep 30% of the profit. And also you can make withdrawal after 15 days and you must have 5 active trading days. Now I'm going to show you how to get started, how to sign up with Tentrade and purchase an account. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive to the website. All right, here is the funded program, and as you can see, funded trader program. Trade our money and keep most of the profits. Our funded program is the perfect way for you to trade with our money and enjoy the fruit of your success, right? All right, this is their website now, and as you can see, these are the account sizes: 1,000, 3,000, 10,000, 30,000, 90,000, 270,000, and $500,000, and so on and so forth. As you can see, you have no monthly target. Why? Because this is the instant funding, right? And you have 15 days standard payout, right? After 15 days, you can request for payout. No scaling for the 1,000, no scaling for the 3,000. And if you make 10% from the 10,000 and above, you will be able to scale up to the next account, right? And as you can see, this is the maximum drawdown: 9%, 9%, 8%, 7%. The bigger accounts are lesser, right? And the daily drawdown from the $1,000 to the $30,000 is 6%, right? And from the $90,000 and above is 3%. As you can see, the minimum trading days is 5 days, right? But for the bigger accounts right here is 10 days. Consistency rule applied to all accounts, right? I'm going to be explaining that in a short while. Minimum trading size, minimum trade size, right? 0.1 and so on and so forth. You can see the leverage 1:100 and the profit split 70-30. You get to keep 70% of whatsoever you make, right? And they keep 30%. And as you can see, the registration fee for the $1,000 account is $43 and $110 for the $3,000 account, $330 for the $10,000 account, $990 for the $90,000 account, and no, this is for the $30,000 account, right? And this is for the $90,000 account. This is for the $270,000 account, and this is for the $500,000 account, right? Now, how can you get started? Once you come to this page, what you do is click on register, right? And once you click on register, it's going to take you to a page where you fill your details. As you can see, you can fill in your details, and once you fill in your details and register, a password is going to be sent to you to your email, which you can use to log in your dashboard, right? So once you are done registering, you log in. Now after logging in, as you can see, here is the dashboard. Now you can go straight to funded trader and click on apply right here. As you can see, apply. And before then, you have to fund your account. Now, how to fund your account? You click on the funds right here and you click on deposit fund, right? Once you click on deposit fund right here, you can see you can deposit straight into your wallet and you can choose any method of your choice: bank transfer, cryptocurrency, card deposit, Kora Pay, right? While for Nigerians, you can use this Kora Pay, which is the easiest way to deposit into your account. And if you are from any other part of the country of the world, you can use cryptocurrency, right? You can use cryptocurrency. All right. Now, once you deposit into your account and you want to purchase an account, what you do is go down to funded trader and click apply now. Once you click apply now, it's going to take you to this page, right, where you can see the instant funding prices and the evaluation challenge prices, right? As you can see right here, this is the instant funding and this is the evaluation, right? This is where you get to choose the account type you want to purchase. All right, so now let me show you how it works, right? Let's assume I want to purchase an account right here. You can see this is the instant funding and this is the evaluation account. Now I'm only talking about the instant funding, and as you can see here at the account size, right? Now if you want to purchase your accounts, you select the account you want to purchase. Either you select the instant funding or you select the evaluation account. In this case, we are selecting the instant funding, right? Once you select the instant funding, then you choose the account type you want to get, you want to purchase, right? Once you select the account type, then you can go ahead and continue. As you can see right here, you can continue, and once you click continue, it's going to purchase the account. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's quickly dive into the rules you need to know, the most important rules you need to know, right, after purchasing an account, right? All right, as you can see, they have a scaling plan, right? They have a scaling plan. They have a scaling plan that allows traders with live funded accounts to either withdraw profit or request to increase their account size. All right. Now, the profit target is 10% on our evaluation without breaking any of the stated rules, but there is no target on the instant live account. As you can see, there's no target on the instant live account, but you can make 10% to scale up, right? Now, the minimum trading days, right? These are the rules you need to know before trading the account. You have to trade 5 days minimum, right? The trading days are 5 days, but however, your account becomes dormant if left inactive for 30 days after placing your first trade, right? So take note of that. All right, now let's go to daily loss. Daily loss minimum is 6%, right? Overall drawdown, you can see it's 9%, 8%, 7%, right? This 9% applies to the small accounts, right? It applies to the 1,000, 3,000, and $10,000 account, right? Then the minimum time to hold trade. The minimum holding time limit is 3 minutes. Yeah, okay, this is one of the important rules you need to take note of, because if you violate these rules, yeah, they're not going to notify you that you violate this rule, but you need to really take note of this rule and be very cautious not to violate these rules, right? Right, what this simply means is that once you open a trade, you should hold that trade for at least 3 minutes before closing, right? You should hold that trade for at least 3 minutes before closing the trade. So you should not hold trade less than 3 minutes. If you hold trade less than 3 minutes, you've simply violated these rules, right? Now, this is the consistency rule. The consistency rule in the funded trader program ensures trader maintain steady and suitable profit while managing risks and adhering to a trading plan. It focuses on maintaining consistent lot size rather than daily profit. All right, let me see explain this quickly, right? Consistency rule, this is how it works, right? Now, whatsoever lot size you use to trade on that account. For instance, you start with one lot size. Let me use the example of one lot size. All right. Now, let's assume you got a 3K account, right? A 3K account. Now, and you started using one lot size, right? You started using one lot size on the account. One lot on the account, right? Now, you started with one lot size, and the consistency rule about this trade is that once you start with any lot size of your choice, you can't go 50%. You can't go down 50%, right, on that account, and you can't go down you can't go up 400% on that account, right? So what this simply means is that one lot size which you started using, right, you cannot go down 50% of that one lot size, which is one lot size, right, divide by 50%, right? Divide by 50%, which is equals to 0.5, which is equals to 0.5 lot size, right? That's the lot size, the minimum lot size you are going to be using on this account, right? Now, you can't go above 400% of this one lot size, which is one lot size times 4, which is equals to 4 lot size, right? 4 lot size. So that means the maximum lot size you're going to be using on this account is 4. So your trading lot size is within the range of 0.5 to 4 lot size. This is the lot size you're going to be using, right? This is the lot size you are going to be using throughout that account till you make withdrawal. And once you make withdrawal from that account, you can now reset your lot size, right? You cannot use any lot size again and continue with the consistency rule, right? So let's assume you got paid out. After paid out and your account was reset back to initial balance, which is $3,000, and now you now start with two lot size, right? You now start with two lot size. Now what you have to do is two lot size divide by 2 is equals to one lot size, right? Then this will now be your minimum lot size, and two lot size times 4, which is equals to 8, right? 8 will now be your maximum lot size. So now the new trading range will be from 1 to 8 lot size, right? All right, so that's it with the consistency rule. Now back to this, right? Now, news trading, as you can see right here, trading during or after news is unrestricted, right? That's, you can trade during news or even after news, right? And as you can see here, EA and bot trading is allowed only on a live account. However, we prohibit high frequency trading and arbitrary trading. All right, the maximum leverage is 1:100, right? And you can see holding trades over weekend, there are no restriction on holding trades over the weekend. You can hold trades over the weekend, right? You can hold trades and hold it till the next week. Trading crypto on weekend, yes, we currently permit cryptocurrency trading throughout the weekend. All right, so as you can see, time period for review after passing your challenge. This applies to the challenge. It takes 1 to 48 hours to process a review after passing the challenge. Payment method, right? They have different type of payment. The deposit and payout method are concurrent. For instance, if you deposit funds using cryptocurrency, your payout will also be made in cryptocurrency. All right. So I guess that those are the important rules you need to know. And also they have a stacking rule, right? They have stacking rule, right? And the stacking rule also correspond with your consistency rule. So if you are stacking, you should take note of the consistency rule so you won't violate the consistency rule while stacking. All right. So for instance, if you are stacking, and for instance, probably you started with one lot size in total. Okay, let's assume you are using 0.2, right? 5 position. That's what you started with. Now 0.2 times 0.2 times 0.2 times 5 is equals to 1, right? My whiteboard is not loading up, so let me just say it. 0.2 times 5 is equal to 1 lot size, so that is your starting lot size. So if you are to stack, you should maintain that amount, or even if you want to reduce your lot size, you should use the minimum of 0.5. So that's, if you are to stack, you are going to use 0.1 times 5 or 0.2 times 2 plus 0.1, right? So if you are to increase your lot size, the maximum lot size is 4 lot size. Probably you can use 1 lot size times 4, or you can use 0.5 times 0.5 times 8, right, to get your maximum lot size. Remember, you should not go above 4 lot size. So that's it with the stacking rules. It aligns with the consistency rule. You should not go against the consistency rule while stacking. All right, so that's that for that. That's how to get an account, and those are the main rules and important rules you need to know while trading the funded account. If you want my full breakdown of 10 trade account type, best plan to start with, or how I'm preparing to come back, comment 10 trade down below in this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also share this video to your friends, and let me know if you are using 10 trade.